Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install games on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So to install a game on Chromecast, all you need to do is come over to this search bar under apps. So apps, and then go to search for apps and games. Now you may have the title's name already in mind. Just come over to this keyboard and type the title. So I'm just going to give you an example of a simple puzzle game, and I search for puzzle. This is going to pull up the options. You have puzzle world, you have puzzle gridlock, puzzle journey. You also have jigsaw puzzle games for adults. So give this a second to load up. You can see the images right there. Now clicking on this is going to begin the install. So I've clicked on install and the install is currently in progress. I'll just give it a couple of seconds to begin installing. So after pending, it will download, and then from downloading you see an automatic install process. After this install process, the app will be saved in the device. As you can see, I'm being asked to adjust my storage, so I have limited amount of storage. I've just freed up some storage and I'm trying again. So now you see the download has begun. It's currently at 1% and climbing. I'll wait for that to complete and then we're going to install the application. So as you can see, it's 100% downloaded. The download is complete. The Chromecast is going to take over the installation, and then Google Play Store will install this game on Chromecast. So I'm giving it a second. It's done installing, and this is the crucial part. Now you can see that this particular game has an issue. Most of these issues are coming from the gamepad. So I'm just going to show you another app, for instance. So like this one, you have to understand that you need a gamepad for most games. They will always show you a message saying you should have a gamepad, because you have to game with some sort of a controller. So you have to get that controller, put it on, and then when you have the app installed, it will run only when you have that installer connected, the controller rather. So when the gamepad is present, your apps are going to work in terms of games. So it's absolutely crucial that you have that gamepad if you want to game on Chromecast. Alright, now the download is at 100%. This is another application. The previous one could have failed because of maybe a lack of an update or something wrong with the application. But this is installing, so I'm just going to be patient, wait for the installation to complete, and then I'm going to see. Okay, so the same thing happens, and there you have it popping up, connect the gamepad. So say you can install the game now, but you won't be able to play without the gamepad. This is what I was trying to tell you. So it's important to connect your gamepad, but you can see I can begin the download. It's going to install the app, but to play the game I'll need a gamepad. So I've shown you a couple of games and I've shown you the process, how to download and install. This at 3%. I'll just sit tight, wait for it to complete, and then we'll hop off the video. And there it is, successfully downloading, 36% at now. So immediately this downloads, as immediately you've seen that gamepad notification and it has downloaded. The download completes, you find it installing automatically, and from there connect the gamepad, launch the game, and you're good to go. So that's it for this video. If you found it insightful, subscribe to the channel for more content like this.